We've got these young olive trees. We got them in pots and we put them in the ground about a year ago. We've heard a lot of contradictory advice. Some people say you shouldn't trim them within the first couple of years, and some people say you should because you want them to start bushing out nicely. Now, as you can see, ours are they're quite twiggy at the moment, and we do want to get them nice and bushy because we want them to provide a little bit of a shelter belt long term against the wind and everything. So we're actually just giving ours a little bit of a trim now. Now, olives, you shouldn't do too much intensive trimming. If you do need to take a lot off the branches, you should look at doing 1 to 2 inches early to mid-spring. You really want to do it after the frosts have hit, and you don't want the weather to be too rainy because that can really affect them if they've just been cut. And then you can do another 1 to 2 inches if you really do need to take more than that off late spring, early summer, so just give them a bit of recovery time in between. So yeah, our intention was just to get the scraggly ends, just give them a little bit of a trim. We're just wanting it to bush out nicely. It does help to have some nice sharp pruners. Obviously, you know, these little ones are fine just with the younger tree. Just so you know, the child was being very closely supervised with those. Have fun out there, guys. Hit like, leave us a comment, hit subscribe, and we'll catch you next time.